Good morning, good afternoon, good night to everyone who's watching, and welcome back to another video. So today let's talk Ferraris. So here, as you see, there are some Ferraris, and of course I got a new box, so that's why the video is being made. Now the car that I have today for the review, it's not for review, the car that I have today that I want to showcase to you is something that has been derived from this. Only difference is this is street legal and that is not street legal. So this is the car. So this is the Ferrari FXX, and this is a 143 scale model, has some opening parts too. We'll take a look at this. And this is from Kyosho, designed in Italy by MR. I don't know which brand MR is. MR Collections Models. So I'm trying to do the Italian accent as much as I can. So this is called the Evoluzione. Now I'll tell you what Evoluzione is. Now let's open this. So these are quite old. So these are not recently made models from Kyosho. These were made back in 2008, 9 and 10, and then they stopped making these models. Very old acrylic case. You can tell it's an old acrylic case just by looking at the plastic that is holding it. Now we were talking about the Ferrari FXX. Now FXX is basically a program that Ferrari made. So ideally you can't take this car home. You can buy this car paying 1.6 million. I don't know how much the recent FXX are. So FXX came out in 2005 and this is the Evoluzione version of FXX. Basically the Evoluzione is just a bolt-on kit to your FXX, which basically increases your horsepower by around, I think, 80 or 90, something like that. Basically it bumps up the horsepower from 780 bhp till 860 odd bhp, and you get this more sleeker body kit and all those things. Now the interesting part is you can buy this but you can't take it home. So if you want Ferrari to get it to a specific track, a race track, they will get the car there for you. So that is the thing about this one. So totally I think they made 29 Ferraris officially, but they actually made 30 Ferraris. There is one Ferrari which was taken home. You can tell me who owns that Ferrari. I will tell that in the end. It was made for a special Formula 1 driver who drove for Ferrari, and he asked them to make one for him. So there were 30 FXX built, the Ferrari FXX. Front bonnet opens. Of course there's no engine in the front because this is a rear engined Ferrari. Now that's a beauty, isn't it? Now that I have opened all the parts, let's take a look from the front. You get those small headlights. I think they were designed to drive in the daytime only on the racetracks. Since this is not street legal, you cannot ride it on the road. Now if you come to the rear, you see that beautiful exhausts there. You have the tail lights, I think very tiny tail lights. Beautiful grills in the back. You can see the mesh and everything. It's amazingly detailed. It says FXX in the bottom, the Ferrari logo. And if you look at it from the sides, you can look at the brakes, the doors. You can see the carbon fiber inside. I will show you the insides of this car soon. Now from the side you can see the disc brakes. You can see the Ferrari logo on the wheel itself. Now if you come, let me take you closer into the front opening part. So it's most probably the radiator that is there and the cooling system that is there, which is placed in the front. Very nicely detailed. Now coming back to the engine, look at the detailing that has been given in the engine. You can see the roll cage, you can see the suspensions that is there. Wow. And you can see the carbon fiber weave that has been given inside too. Very nicely made. Amazing model. Now let's take a look at the interiors itself. You can pretty much see the interior like how you can see in a real car. So you have the roll cage there, you have the steering wheel, you can see the carbon fiber also, the accelerator, clutch pedals, the brake pedals. brilliant. You can see the dash, the bucket seats look amazing. You can see the harness, also the racing harness also on the bucket seats. This was one of 504, so there were only 504 pieces of this made, and I would recommend, if you're a Ferrari fan and if you really want to spend 2,500-3,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees on a Hot Wheels Ferrari, I would advise you stop spending so much on a Hot Wheels Ferrari, because you will not be able to see the level of details that a Ferrari has on Hot Wheels. Try getting something like this if you're a true Ferrari fan, that is, or if you're just looking for an investment opportunity, go ahead, buy the Hot Wheels Ferrari. It's just for you. Hot Wheels Ferraris were being sold for 99 rupees in India when they had the license, and max to max they are worth 300 rupees for me, not more than that. If you're going to spend 1,500-2,000 rupees on a Ferrari, I would recommend go for a Kyosho, go for a Tomica, or go for a TLV itself. TLV is worth every penny that you pay for that, and it's again, if you're thinking Ferrari, Hot Wheels as an investment opportunity, please don't invest it on TLV itself, because that also increases in value, if that is why you're into collecting, is for future safety. So that is all I have for this video, guys. Hopefully you have liked the video, and hopefully there are more Kyoshos that I can get my hand on, the red Kyoshos in specific. If I can get my hand on, you will definitely see them on this channel. So hopefully you have liked this video. Subscribe and also leave your comments down in the comment section below, and have a great day ahead. Bye.